who is the deputy editor of the International Journal for Dairy Technology, published by Wiley. So please help me invite Dr. Nicolada to the stage. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yep.
Okay. I'm truly honored to be here with you today, and I came all the way from Australia, and I would like to express my gratitude of the members of the Nordic Dairy Committee, as well as to Wiley and SDT, the Society of Dairy Technology. Today's celebration is founded on three essential pillars. This program would not have to come on Fruitian without their unwavering commitment and hard work. The Nordic dairy countries have a long-standing tradition of milk production and processing dairy product with extended shelf life, including hard cheese and butter and fermented cultured product. Notable example, you may heard first day that it is skyr, which is originate from Iceland, and also from hummer, which is very popular in Denmark. These countries are home to many of the world's leading dairy researchers and cutting-edge research, particularly regarding the impact of dairy on bone health. As just you heard about the bioavailability of calcium is maximum from the skim milk, and also cardiovascular disease and other health outcome. Wiley, a global publisher, has significantly contributed to dairy research throughout its journal and technology and other resources. It publishes various journals, including International Journal of Dairy Technology, which focuses on the intersection of fundamental dairy research and industry challenges. The Society of Dairy Technology is a professional organization advancing dairy science and technology. You must know about it better than me. It plays a crucial role in the dairy, and it plays a crucial role in the dairy and also developing many good foods of dairy, and as well as it publishes webinar, conference, and developed innovative technologies to improve quality and safety and efficiency of dairy product. I want to express my gratitude to my EIC, Editor-in-Chief of IJDT, Dr. Michael Mulan, and also I want to express my thanks from the very encouragement of CEO of SDT, of Mrs. Marianne Pousset, for her incredible encouragement in attending the Congress, and for her encouragement, I am here today from Australia. Like many events, the COVID-19 pandemic disrupted the Nordic Dairy Congress in previous years. However, this year made the largest dairy congress ever held. Now I am currently concentrating the poster evaluation section. It is extremely hard though. Every poster presented in the Congress showcased an interesting research topic, making it very challenging to us to evaluate them based on their research appeal as well as research theme. The best poster was selected, founded on some important criteria. The criteria includes it should have unique design with a thoughtful layout alongside a solid scientific content, meaningful content that highlights the intriguing main point, concise information paired with substantial depth in each word, table and figure, reflecting the quality of research theme. Now, I'm going to announce the poster which got the best award. The poster presented by Sigrid Norgard Belding. Research Award in 2025. The poster was considered well composed with innovative elements and a clear structure, making it easy to follow a relatively complex topic. Using novel technologies as AI is increasingly important to apply in many multiple disciplines, and it is used in the present study to better predict and understand the structure and texture formation of fermented dairy product producing exopolysaccharide. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all emerging scientists for your hard work and invaluable contribution to research, along with your commitment to fostering a better future for Nordic countries and beyond. Wishing you all the best as you cultivate the dairy industry with your curiosity and innovation for a better tomorrow. Good luck.